Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best makeup blenders and sponges that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Makeup Sponge Set BS Mall Blender Sponges. The Makeup Sponge Set BS Mall Blender Sponges 7 pieces offer latex-free and vegan makeup sponges for powder, cream, or liquid application. The sponge set comes in an elegant pink color with unique sponge bottle packaging for easy storage and carrying. The makeup sponge set can be used wet or dry, and when wet, it turns bigger and can be dabbed evenly to form a gorgeous makeup. The non-latex and non-allergic material also allows for dip powder products like foundation and loose powder to be stained and fluttered onto the face when using the makeup sponges dry. At number 4, we have the BS Mall Triangle Puff 14-piece makeup sponge set. The BS Mall makeup sponge set offers a complete kit with 14 pieces, including 7 sponges designed to meet all your daily makeup application needs. You'll appreciate the soft, non-latex material that expands when wet, providing a gentle touch that's perfect for sensitive skin. This set also comes with a stylish gradient pink case that keeps your sponges clean and easy to carry, making it ideal for travel or storage. Plus, the sponges are made to blend your foundation, concealer, and powders evenly without soaking up too much product, so you can save your makeup and achieve a flawless look every time. At number 3, we have the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. The Real Techniques Makeup Blending Sponge is a must-have for achieving a flawless and natural-looking makeup application. With its unique design, this sponge creates an even and dewy finish, perfect for brightening up dull and tired skin. The set includes 4 Miracle Complexion sponges, ensuring you always have a fresh one on hand. This makeup sponge is not only great for applying liquid and cream foundations, but it also works wonders for blending blush, bronzer, and highlighter. Designed for precision application, the Real Techniques Makeup Blending Sponge gives you a full face look that is seamlessly blended. Plus, it's 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and latex-free, making it a guilt-free choice. Affordable and easy to use, this beauty sponge is a game changer for achieving long-lasting and flawless makeup. At number 2, we have the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. The Real Techniques makeup sponge is designed to help you blend your makeup smoothly for a flawless, streak-free finish. It works great with many liquid and cream products like foundation, blush, and contour, making it a versatile tool in your beauty routine. The sponge's microfine pores create an even base with buildable coverage, so you can customize your look from light to medium. For the best results, dampen the sponge before use. It also features a smart 3-point design, a flat edge to apply product, rounded sides to blend, and a precision tip to cover small areas perfectly. This makes makeup application easier and more precise for you. And finally, at number 1, we have the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion and Concealer Sponge Duo. The Real Techniques Sponge Duo includes 2 essential makeup sponges designed to help you achieve a flawless, natural look. The larger Miracle Complexion Sponge is perfect for blending foundation all over your face, giving you a smooth, even base with light to medium coverage. The smaller Miracle Concealer Sponge has a precise tip and elongated shape, making it easy to apply concealer under your eyes and around your nose with accuracy. Both sponges work best when damp, helping you create a fresh, dewy finish. Plus, they are suitable for use with both liquid and cream makeup products, making your routine more versatile and convenient. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!